Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to my May kit lineup video. I'm really excited about this one because one, we've got several new to me shops, and two, I am starting off wedding kits. I get married early June, the 11th of June. I have lots of wedding kits I want to use because I only intend to get married once and I'm super excited for it. So I wanted to use lots of wedding kits in my planner to share that excitement. So it is my hen party at the beginning of May, so I have a kit for that, and then we're going straight into wedding kits. So without any further ado, let me show you what I'm going to use. Okay, so the monthly kit I'm going to use for May, I don't actually have the memory monthly I'm going to use for May. I don't actually have to show you, but I do have a weekly kit using the same artwork. Oh, sorry about the adjustment in lighting there. So this is Garden Party by Plannerface, and I showed you this spread because I'm going to be using the same washi and foil pairing. So this is the artwork that I'm going to be using. I will pop a picture of the actual monthly kit on the screen now. So that's the monthly kit I'm going to be using. I'm super excited for it. It's super cute, and I feel like, so as I said in the introduction, May is like hen party and wedding starting vibes, so I'm excited for that kit. I feel like it kicks them off nicely. So then I have these washi tapes to go with that monthly kit. So these two are old. So this one is an old Colourful & Co one, which will be coming to Tilly Journals. This is one that was only ever in the Colourful & Co advent. So it's the only shop it's been released in is Tilly Journals, and that's in the shop now. Then these two here are from Simply Gilded. We're obviously pairing silver foil, and then that top one is just a random one I got on the net, but I think those washies will pair really well with the colours of this kit. There may have been a slight change in the colours of the kit because Anna won't have the original because of her file problems, but I think the colours will be basically the same, so that should work really well. So that's those, and that's my monthly kit. So for the first week, the week of the 2nd of May, we have this kit here. So this is the week of my hen party, and let's just zoom in a bit to show you the kit up close. So for my hen party, we are going away for a long weekend, and I've definitely got a couple of planner pens there, but then this is just kind of my vibes, chill out and play games and stuff. I don't know what's happening at my hen party, I have nothing to do with it at all. So this was the Cyber Monday Mystery. I've just found a kit page I missed there. So this was the Cyber Monday Mystery, and I absolutely love this artwork. The two Cyber Monday Mysteries are up there in my favourite ever mysteries Plannerface has done. So yeah, you've got the two fashion girls, they've got little Plannerface cards, you've got one of these old flowcharts things that you used to have in magazines all the time, and you've got some different games, and you've got like plays on snakes and ladders, washi tapes and ruler, find that foil, which is guess who, and then the mysterious planner meetup detective game, like Cluedo. And you've got playing cards, but the suits are the foil colours. You've got some snacks, you've got a wax melter there in the background, and I love the colours of this kit as well. It doesn't necessarily scream spring to me, it's more like summer to autumn vibes to me, but I still absolutely love it, and I think this is gorgeous. So that's those. So you've got your date covers, which I love the pattern behind those date covers, your appointment labels, your this is old format obviously, you've got your ombre, your Monday through Sunday boxes there, you've got your half boxes and quarter boxes, you've got your flags and your checklists, you've got your old little things style page. Obviously this page has had a proper glow up, and I think it's going to be really weird using an old format kit, but we'll get there. Then we have the ombre heart checkboxes page, which has obviously also had a glow up, so I'm not going to play too much on that. Then you've got this here, which is your washi and a full box, an extra full box page, which this has, like, you know, in Cluedo where you put the things in, that's got one of those, and it's got the holo card in, which is cool, which I think works nicely because actually holo is one of the foils I'm going to use with this kit. So then you've got the glitter add-on, so obviously that's there. This is before Anna did the box add-on, and then you've got your alternate skin tone boxes. So you've got your alternate fashion girl here, and your alternates for this fashion girl, your alternate hands for this one, and your alternate hands for this one there. So lots of extra boxes there. And then on the last page you have your double box scene, which is this play. So you've got two double boxes, you get your scripts, you've got your just usual mystery add-on page. So also 3 of these are now like paint swatches in the new format kit. So that is the Cyber Monday mystery, and we're using that for the week of the 2nd of May. The 2 foils I'm using with this, and These, like, so I asked in our Discord what foil / washi people thought I should use, and nobody voted for this one until I was like, but I think rose gold goes best with this kit. And I was like, I'm not sure the colour's the same, but I'm pretty sure like they are basically the same colour. So after she saw that, she was like, yeah, go with the rose gold foil. So we've got this one here, which is from Simply Gilded. It's got the birds on and stuff with rose, like, it's got very light rose gold foiling on. And then I also have this one, which is hollow foiled, and is like, it's very similar to the blue in the kit, the other blue in the kit, so it's very, very similar. It's the same sort of tone as that there, and I just think it pairs really nicely, and it's got holographic foil on there. So that's those. So that are the 2 foils and stuff. I'm not bringing in a foil bundle for this. I'm bringing in quite a few foil bundles in this month, but not for this one. So that's there for the first week of the 2nd of May. I'm talking a lot. So the 9th of May is when we start getting into wedding kits, and kits I am much less comfortable with. So this is Love You More by House of Stickers. I saw a few shops with this kit for artwork, but this was one of my favourites, and is in the UK, so I kind of went for this one. So this is a foiled 4-page kit, very different from my usual style of like a 7 or 8-page kit. And I think I'm going to have a proper play and try like that more floral decorative elements, but we'll see how it goes down. So these are your 9 full boxes, and you get 3 like chunky headers at the bottom there. Then this is your washi page, and I love that bottom washi. Like, just look at that lace design. There is a tiny bit of misfoiling there, but look how gorgeous that lace foiling is. It's even nicer in person. There you go, that's how it looks. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got the floral, you've got some flags down the side, and her flags are like a different shape at the end. They're not like squared off, they're like, do you see what I mean? Then you get a Monday through Sunday and a 3-heart checklist there, and your date covers at the side. Then this page is your headers, and you get some script headers at the bottom, and then you've got some different layering pieces and some boxes. As I say, this will be a very experimental plan with me, particularly because, as you know, I pull these kits across 2 spreads, and then I have this here, which is the deco add-on there. It's not foiled or anything, it's just some of the deco from the kit. I think I'm probably going to have to pull in some Plannerface florals to go with this to make it work for me, to add some more layering. And then this is your boxes sheet. So this is washi, this bit here. It's like a full box, but it's split up into washi. You've got a location time, you've got 2 habit trackers, another ombre heart checkbox, and then a load of boxes and some checklists. So as I say, that's going to be a very difficult format for me to work with, I think, but we'll play with it and we'll try something new, and I am kind of excited to try something new. Obviously there is rose gold foil in this, so both of the washes I'm using and the foil I'm pulling in is obviously rose gold, and these are both from Simply Gilded. So we have this, first up we have this gorgeous books. I just think it's like the colours are right, and I just think it just goes with the vibes of the kit. So that's that there. If it would focus on the washi, I would really appreciate it. There you go, and you can just see the gorgeous delicate floral. And then again, the colours of this washi just match perfectly. It is just a green to pink ombre that really, really matches the colours in the kit, as you can see. So I'm really excited to pull those in. So that is for the 2nd week of the 9th of May, I believe. Then we're going into not necessarily a wedding kit, but it's definitely still like gives me wedding / party vibes, and this is going to be Special Day, which I think definitely can be a wedding kit. You just obviously couldn't use this happy birthday box, but there is a solution for that. This is the December Plannerface mystery from 2021, but I definitely get wedding cake vibes from these, and yeah, definitely feel the wedding love on this. So these are your full boxes. You do obviously, as always with Plannerface mysteries, get different box add-ons. So that's the 4 girls for this box, and there's your alternate cake that doesn't say happy birthday there, and then your 3 boxes for that girl there. So they're your full boxes, and this is again old format. You've got your date cover page. We won't go through it as deeply as we went through the first page. Your boxes page, because this is the same format as that first kit. little things page, ombre heart checkbox page, your bottom washi, and this bottom washi was what made me think, yes, this can definitely be used for a wedding. It's just got these gorgeous hearts and things there. Then you've got heart balloons and everything as well. This is obviously not the vibes of my wedding, well, not obviously, but it's super not the vibes of my wedding, but yeah. And then you have your glitter add-on and your mystery page, and look at that chartreuse, I can't say the word, chartreuse, I can't say it, you know what I'm trying to say, that board thing that people love, and yeah, it's just glorious. I love this so much. So that's that there. So with this, I am going to be using, for 1 week, I'm going to be using rose gold foil and pulling in the other simple line Simply Gilded washi I have. I just think this matches really well. This is more of a coppery rose gold, but I will just be pulling in normal rose gold, my normal rose gold with it, not coppery rose gold. I just think that matches like the neutral tones really well at the kit. And then with the memory spread, probably I'm going to be pulling in this gold foil. I know, again, this doesn't really look like it matches because it is what's the word? It's scales, but the colours are just absolutely perfect with this, and I really wanted a gold foiled washi because with this washi I'm going to be pulling in the first foil bundle, and this is Sunflowers foil bundle, Twinkle Thursday foil bundle from my shop. It's not been released yet, but I am having sunflowers in my wedding bouquet, so I wanted to bring this in. So these are the 4-box overlays I'm going to be using. So that's your 4 boxes, and your you get 16 header overlays on that page, you get your other 16 on that page, so you've got a full set of header overlays. You get your bottom washi, which you can use over full bottom washi, or it is cut into 15mm strips, so you can use it separately, whichever you prefer. You've got your corners, and these are so these are cut like as a corner, because otherwise they'd be way too hard to put on. You get all your tinies, so these are all tiny individually cut stickers there, and you've got your 4 script headers there. You've got your script page, which I've got this on white mat. You can also get this on transparent mat. That's not really in the right order because this is part of the main Twinkle. You've got your functional page there, then you've got your script page if you get the script version, and then you've got bougie boxes as well. So that's the foil bundle I'm going to be using with it. And my foil bundle pages, so they're slightly different shape, but they are as big as Anna's pages basically. So that should explain to you how big the pages are if you've never had an Anna kit. Oh, I have one here. So just to show like the difference between, so this is a Scribble Pits Co. So your Plannerface kit pages are so much bigger, and then my Twinkles like even bigger, like bigger horizontally but slightly smaller vertically. So yeah, that's what we're working with anyway. So that is for the week of the, I've already forgotten what dates I said, 16th of May. And then last but not least, we have the week of the 23rd of May, and we're sticking with the wedding kit. And this is another kit that I think I might struggle a little bit with the format of, because it's like an Anna style format, but it's just not been updated to how most people are currently planning, I would say. But I mean, it works still, and it should be glorious. I mean, I really love this artwork. And the print quality on this is absolutely excellent. So these are your 4 boxes. I'm just bringing them up to show you them in full glory. So that's there, and it's like a photo wedding kit. So then you've got some little things, appointment labels, some washi, and 2 more full boxes. I'll come back to those in a second. You've got your full heart checklists, which obviously I probably won't use. You've got some headers, which again I probably won't use, but you've got your some boxes on there as well. You've got more boxes, icons, and some flags and stuff on that page. Your Monday through Sunday, and you really can't read that Monday through Sunday, but that is what they are. You get some more boxes, some scripts and stuff there, and then your bottom washi. Obviously this bottom washi is quite different from normal bottom washi, so I'm going to explain what I'm going to do with that in a minute. But then I also got these 2 box add-ons to try and bulk up this kit and make it work for me. So bottom washi wise, and washi I am pulling in is I am pulling in these 3 washi tapes. So with this blue strip, I'm going to pull in these two, and that will make it like a triple bottom washi, kind of like Glam Planner style. And I think that'll fit nicely because they like add up to that width. And then with this strip, I'm going to pull in this silver foiled or simply gilded, that will just replace that strip. So that should work nicely. What I have just realised is there's no deco in this kit, so I might struggle with the second set of date covers. But anyway, so as you can see, these two are not foiled. So one of the foils I'm going to be using is silver, and this is like, it's almost a purpley blue, but it really matches one of the kit colours. This one here, it's just like exactly the same bluey purple, so I'm really excited for that. And then for the one where I'm not using a foiled washi, I'm going to be pulling in ice blue. These are obviously Misfits, and I don't know what sheets I have, and I may well make myself, I've still got this foil, I may make myself some wedding overlays to match, but this is what I have to work with, because obviously the hearts are so super, but that I won't use. I could use the confetti quite happily, and I could use the twinkle, so actually it might be alright. I may also pull in some of this washi overlay, but don't know. So actually there's quite a lot of the twinkle. Obviously there's a Christmas one which isn't super suitable, there's a script. I might make myself a sheet of the new twinkle script in this foil as well. You've got some icons there and a set of date covers, so actually I'll just use those date covers for the last one. So yeah, this is just various bits of that blue foil that I will be pulling in with that. And yeah, so I think that's it. I think they are my 4 kits. So we've got beautiful, so we've got like at least we've got 2 News to Me shops and 2 tried and true Plannerface kits. So we have Beautiful Mess Plans Co, we have House of Stickers, and then we have our 2 tried and tested Plannerface kits in there. And obviously we have one full-on foil bundle, and we have lots of bits of the light blue foil to pull into it. I'm just trying to make a nice little flat lay here as well. So yeah, that is my May lineup. Okay, so that is it. I'm super excited, and I'm excited to see what I do with these new kit formats of things I've never used before and use some new to me shops. I'm also super excited to be using a foil bundle. I've only used one of my foil bundles so far, and I've got another one coming up, so that's really exciting too. So that's all I've got for this video. Comment, like down below if you enjoyed it. Let me know if we're twinning on any of the weeks, but I highly doubt it considering most of them are wedding weeks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that kind of jazz, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!